Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at the brand new Toyota Sienna XLE with the limited package. This is a 7-passenger minivan in midnight black, and under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on the Sienna includes a camera right under the Toyota emblem there. We also have 2 cameras underneath the side mirrors and 1 in the back, giving us the 360 view, which we will see more inside. Other great features includes parking sensors on the front and rear bumper, proximity smart key system, power sliding doors, and a power liftgate. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. Like I mentioned, the Sienna does have a smart key system, so if you have a key fob in your pocket, we can press these 2 lines on the door handle to lock the vehicle, and to unlock it's as easy as putting our hand inside the door handle there. If we take a look in the side mirror, you can see you have a blind spot monitoring system as well as heated mirrors. Taking a look inside the door here, you have your memory seating presets right next to the handle. You have your power adjustable side mirrors, power windows, and power locks. On the bottom, we have some storage space that runs along the entire side of the door. Next to the door, you'll also find some features like your parking assist, where you can turn those sensors on and off, and you also have a heated steering wheel with the Sienna. Now inside, the Sienna comes equipped with brown leather seating. On the bottom, you'll find your power seating adjustment buttons. And on the top, you also have a power moonroof. On the left side here, this cluster will allow you to control your entertainment screen. You also have your volume buttons, hands-free calling, and your voice recognition system. On the right, this cluster will allow you to navigate through the multi-information display. Down below that, you have your Toyota Safety Sense buttons with lane departure assist and dynamic radar cruise control, and behind the wheel you will find your cruise control speed settings. Moving on to our screen here, right now we are on the home screen. On the left side, it displays any audio that might be playing. On the right side, it shows that navigation map. We can press that, it is a touch screen, and that map will enlarge. You can set your destination through here. If we go into audio, you can see you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between CD, USB, and a Bluetooth device. If we go into reverse, you can see we have a backup camera direct view behind on the left side, and on the top we have a 360 bird's eye view. Moving down below that is our climate control system. It is a tri-zone, so you can adjust the temperature for yourself. The rear passengers can do so, and the passenger in the front can do so as well. Down below, this is where you'll find your driver and passenger heated seats, as well as your USB and auxiliary, and your 12-volt outlet. We can press this button right here, 2 cup holders will come out. So to open up the back, we're going to use their key fob here. We have power sliding doors. We're just going to hold that left button there, and that door will open. Now if we take a look inside here, you can see we are continuing with the brown leather seating. Behind the front passenger and driver seats, you have these little extra storage compartments. Up top, you also have a screen and a second moonroof for those rear passengers. The rear seats do fold down. There's a little handle here. We can pull that upwards. Seats will fold. We can slide them forward, and that gives you access to your third row seating. Now this Sienna does have a power liftgate, so we're going to hold that bottom button on our key fob, and that liftgate will open. Now if we take a look inside here, you can see even with the third row seating, you still have plenty of storage space in the back. You can't put those third row seats down. It's as easy as just pulling on these little handles, and the seats stow all the way down nice and flat. Like I mentioned, the second row seats do fold down as well. That will give you that extra bit of room. To close up, we have a little button up top. We can give that a press, and that power liftgate will close on its own. Taking a last look at our Toyota Sienna, once again, some of those great interior features includes your navigation, 360 camera, driver and passenger heated seats, and a dual moonroof. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.